everyone, we're going to find the derivative of our function g using the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 1. So we're going to call this the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 1, like that. And luckily for this problem, this is your part 1, and our form is already in this format. We have the g of x. We have x, our a equals 1 in this case. And this is going to be our f of t. All right, and so since it's already in this form, all we have to do is follow through on it. So let's look at this. F of t, let's write it like this. F of t equals 1 divided by t cubed plus 1. And we have g of x equals the integral from 1 to x, 1 divided by t cubed plus 1 gt. So basically that's this part. Now it just says that g prime of x equals f of x. So since we're already in format, all we have to do is take our f of t here and write it as f of x. So this equals 1 divided by x cubed plus 1. So that is your derivative. It was already in format. You always have to have an x right there, some a here, and then we want our f of t like that. Now in this case, since it is a fraction, let's please note by the this lower limit that our x or our t, it has to be greater than -1. So for this lower limit, let's just say our a has to be greater than -1, or this wouldn't work. Also, if it was -1, then you'd be dividing by 0. So that wouldn't work. But we want this whole thing to be positive. So for it to be positive, for this to work, this a has to be greater than -1. And anything greater than -1 won't affect the answer. It could be 0, 2, or what have you. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.